What is going on, everybody, man? It's your boy Kaotic Kiccs, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man, and I'm back with another video for you guys, man. As y'all can see, your boy is back in the work truck, man, but like I told y'all, this content must get out. You know what I'm saying? This video gonna be short and sweet, not gonna take up too much of y'all time, but if it's your first time rocking out with the kid, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, also like and share the video. We are on the road to 5K, man, and I know I can get there with y'all help. Just wanted to come in here and discuss what's going on with these Air Jordan 1 High OG Georgetown 85s, man. As you can see, we haven't been seeing anything on the Flex app, nor JD Sports, Finish Line doing no exclusive access, even Hibbett Sports. That's because this sneaker will not be dropping at those particular places, man. This right here is looking to be more of a tier 1, tier 0 release, man. So you may want to check your local sneaker boutiques around your area where you live at, man. They may be doing an in-store raffle, or some of them may be doing some online raffling too. I don't know how it works down there in your area. Also, I do have a link that I will put down in the description, man, where you can put in for online releases of this sneaker as well, man. You know what I'm saying? So don't panic or none of that, man. And some of the places that is in this link, they do ship out. So if you hit, you'll get an email, finish your payment information, and they will ship you your shoe, man. But when it comes to this High OG 85 Georgetown, man, now I love the colorway. Now there was two more sneakers that dropped in that same high cut leather that they talking about, and it was the reverse breads and Nutra Grays. So the reverse breads I took a L on, Nutra Grays took a L on, but those two colorways wasn't moving me anyhow, man. But this one right here does stand out, and your boy is gonna do whatever it takes to get this sneaker, man. Not let me say do whatever it takes, but if I gotta pay resale for it, I will. You know what I mean? That just is what it is. If I want something, I go get it, and I love to bring the review to you guys, man, so y'all can get an up close look at it, man. But all of us know, bro, we all want to hit the sneaker for retail, but that's the goal anyway. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, like I said, I will link all that down there in the description below, man. That way y'all can click on the link and go put in for those raffles, man, before they end. What else, man, I want to discuss with y'all, man? I think that's pretty much it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to do no how to cop or none of that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? You use your own techniques, bro. When it comes to these online releases and all that, bro, you know, it's the luck of the Irish. You feel what I'm saying? Also, I know Sneakers app will be releasing them too, bro, on their site. So come this Saturday, which is April the 2nd, be on the lookout for that shoe to hit the Sneakers app, man. 10 a.m. Eastern time. But y'all let me know down in the comment section how y'all feel about that sneaker. Will you be going for it? And if you hit, will you add it to the collection? Or are you getting it for the toe or for the dough? And all that good stuff, man. It don't matter what you say about it. I would love to see it down there in that comment section, man. So till next time, bro. It's your boy Kaotic Kiccs. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep your heads up. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Peace.